Okay, today we are finally going to do some more work on Michaela's ex-motorcycle.
Oh no, see, I see what your problem is. The tire is flat. See, that's just no good at all. Gotta fix that. Oh.
Yeah, that'll work. See, I pulled a sneaky on you, because instead of working on the motorcycle first, we're gonna work on the bike.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin.
I might have married Hulk because before I even had the chance to get my GoPro started, she just kind of ripped the tire off. Pretty simple. Let's see, I think this was leaking from the valve stem there. I don't know if we can see a leak or not. I thought it might have been pinched or something there.
Right there.
How's that go again? Huh. I've never seen this style of Schrader valve before. It's identical to the Presta. It's the same sort of deal as the Presta valves on my Gary Fisher. Anyway, look at that. No tire levers required. That just went right on there. And this is very strange being a, what is this, a 700 by 38 tire, but with a Schrader valve instead of a Presta. Walmart doesn't carry these. I had to go to an actual bike shop, which is fine. Support local businesses and whatnot. A little bit less convenient for those of us with an 8 to 5, but hey, you know. Okay, so actually before we put air in that, the next thing we want to do is take the whole thing and go around looking to make sure that there isn't any of the tube poking out from underneath the tire bead. And we want to do that and then flip it around and do it on the other side. And that makes sure that when we air it up, we're not pinching the tube and just immediately blowing it again. Now I didn't end up needing those tire levers at all. And now is the part where I get tired. I bet this looks a lot cooler in my mind than it actually does. Okay, so I guess that was pinched somewhere. Well, that's fun. Looks like it either got pinched right next to the valve stem or that twisted a bit when I tightened the thing down, but it was only finger tight, and actually that's really stiff. I don't think that would twist the rubber any, so I guess we'll go get another tube and do this another day. Back to the bike. The goal for today, I think, is going to be getting the rest of this wiring off of here and the controls, handlebars, instrument, the headlight, and some of the other ancillary bits. Take off these big and nasty chrome supports that we're not going to need anymore, and then just go pressure wash this whole frame so that we can see what sort of rust we're dealing with, if any, and get it ready for painting.
Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. 'Cause you got me holding. Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a lone, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on the full moon. And we stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
Got Michaela taking off the brake footrest. Oh, wait, no, that's the rear passenger peg, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not going to need that anymore. And that's pretty much as minimal as I think we're going to take this bike down to. There's no play in the head bearings, so I'm going to leave the front triples on and the forks don't leak. What up?
That.
Oh, how about that?
That one's a 14.
That's pretty nice. You can just lay the bike down and work on it. How about that? Wow. What you got there?
Wires.
Yeah. That's a whole lot of gross. Stick that over there with the rest of the garbage. Wonderful. Okay, so we're just going to carry this outside and power wash it and get rid of all the years of gross, nasty garbage that are stuck on here.
We're good. Hi.
Down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. And I drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 'cause you got me haunting.
Big props to the $100 Lowe's electric pressure washer. This thing puts in work. That is one much cleaner Rebel 250, and interestingly, no structural rust. I can't tell if that's rust or just especially tenacious dirt right there. It's dirt. Okay, we'll have to do some more scrubbing on that. So a little bit more cleaning to do. Then we're going to sand this whole frame down and get it ready for paint. I don't think we're going to do any cutting. I like these nice little ears here. Those will be good to hold the rear turn signal. Seat's probably going to come to about here, so they won't look out of place or anything. The passenger seat area just comes off really nice. I'm a big fan of that. So sand and paint here soon, and then I need to refresh that engine over there, get the carb, get that all good to go and put it back in the bike. Don't really have a way to bench test this. And there's going to be so much wiring because the airbox is going away, so all sorts of stuff is going to move. That's going to be all kinds of fun. Get some new handlebars up in there that aren't quite so 80s swagalicious. And that pretty much does it for this episode. So until next week, thanks for watching.